If you're wondering why your outfit still is not given, even though you spent all that money, baby, newsflash, it's not the clothes, it's you. No, but for real, it's the styling. Today I want to talk about styling mistakes that make you look cheap regardless of how expensive your clothes are. You can look expensive on a budget and you can definitely look cheap in designer. Y'all know Dolly Parton said it takes a lot of money to look this cheap. So money actually has nothing to do with this. Guys, looking cheap has everything to do with how you put your stuff together. And so we're going to talk about common mistakes that people make that makes their outfits look cheap regardless of what is it that they have on. So if you're into all of that, come in, get comfortable. We got a lot to talk about. But first, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you've never seen my face before, then hey, I'm Jessyka Banks. So nice to have you guys. We talk about everything here from glow up, productivity, and today how not to look cheap, because that's never the vibe. So if you're into all of that, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I post almost every day about how to live your best life. And baby, join the community. This is your family now. It's a vibe over here, and let's get right into it. I'm starting straight out the gate strong today, guys. The very first mistake that's gonna always make you look cheap and honestly just sloppy is ill-fitting clothes. Guys, clothes need to fit your body, okay? Like, it's 2025, guys. It's big 2025. If you don't have a tailor, it's time for you to get one. Like, you cannot expect you to just grab something off the rack. I mean, for some people, it works like this and they're God's favorites. But for most of us, you cannot expect to just grab something off the rack and it fits you like a glove. Like, that's not how things work. You must get things tailored. And here's the deal, guys. Tailoring doesn't have to be very expensive. One, you can learn how to sew on your own. But listen, if that ship has already sailed for you as it has for me, there's other cheap options. You can go to a cleaner. A lot of times, cleaners do minor alterations for super cheap. I'm 4'11" and 98 pounds. So a lot of the and don't let me fool you, I'm kind of dragging a wagon back there. So a lot of times things are too long for me and don't fit in the waist, but they fit in the butt, right? And so what a cleaner can do, they can do small alterations, like put a little cinch here in the waist to kind of cinch you in. Or even in shirts, they can put a little dart or a cinch in a shirt to cinch you in. A quick little hem of the pants to take it up a couple of inches, or whatever, guys. But you need to have a tailor. Clothes need to look like that they belong to you, not that you're borrowing it from whatever bargain basement that you got it from. That's so important, guys. Clothes need to fit you. If they're too big, too little, or just pull in the wrong places, you are never gonna give expensive. You are never gonna give luxury. You are never gonna give that girl, because expensive and luxurious fashion brands, they make sure that those brands are tailored to the wearer, not just a one size fits all type of vibe. Speaking of one size fits all, if you come across a clothing piece that's just like one size fits all, that should already tell you that's probably not the piece for you, okay? Babe, you are supposed to stand out. You have unique measurements that are unique to you. If something is inclusive for everybody, that means it's really not specialized to anyone. And we want everything that's on our body specialized and custom to us, or to at least look that way. Tailoring is literally your best friend, guys. A $30 dress can look like a $300 dress if it actually fits your body the way it's supposed to. Next, and this is a big one too, guys, cheap fabrics. That shiny, thin, polyester-y material that just, if you look at it wrong, it's gonna snag or tear. Oh my God, no. If you have any of that in your closet, get it out now. Matter of fact, pause the video. Just go ahead and throw that away and then come back and let's finish talking, because girl, absolutely not. Those fabrics don't hold shape. They don't drape well. And just overall, they give cheap fashion house, rainbow, I don't know. It gives not a grown woman, and we never want to give anything juvenile or basic over here. Okay, this is not the channel for that. If you want to give that, babe, this is not the channel for you. Make sure to choose fabrics like cotton blend and linens and other thicker knit fabrics. And guys, this does not have to be expensive. You can find these fabrics at affordable price points, or even at thrift stores or things like that. It's not about labels at all. It's actually about structure and texture. That's what elevates an outfit, right? So again, stick to luxurious fabrics, okay? Even if the price point is cheap. Cashmere, silk, satin, linen, cotton blends, things of that nature. All those poly and esters, no ma'am, those gotta go. Also, they just feel itchy and cheap on the skin. Like, we want to caress our skin with beautiful things, not things that make us feel kind of like grainy, you know? Y'all, this one just grinds my gears. The next mistake I want to talk about is distracting prints or patterns that don't line up. Guys, nothing cheapens an outfit quicker than, like a blazer and the stripes are not lining up at the seams, or a dress and the floral patterns doesn't go all the way around. It's like designers was like, I'm not worried about the back, or y'all, I cannot stand that. That cheapens an outfit more than you know. If you notice, designer brands and fashion houses, they make sure that their design is ubiquitous all the way around the garment, that the seams are lined up appropriately so that pattern is not skewed or messed up in any part of the garment. Like, all of that matters. Details, guys. Luxury lies in the details. You need to stick with clean lines or minimal patterns, or if you must have a pattern because that fits your aesthetic, make sure that they actually align at the seams or the pattern is like all the way around the garment, guys. Trust me. I don't want you going out there looking cheap, thinking that you're cute. Also, guys, real quick, I want to talk about the old money aesthetic v. the new money aesthetic. You notice that when you just came into money, people love like being a billboard for the brand, right? I need you to know I got this shit on. I need you to see this Fendi. I want the biggest polo horse you can find in the stable on my chest, right? But old money doesn't give that. Old money is like the pieces speak for themselves. You know a quality piece without seeing a big Fendi label or Louis Vuitton stretched across the front, right? You know what's a good quality piece. Think of pieces like Loewe or Chloe. They don't have to like just plaster their brand everywhere, because quiet luxury speaks loud, okay? Just because you don't hear it, trust me, the people that are tuned in and that are tapped into that type of vibe, they hear it loud and clear. They don't need it to be, plastered like a billboard on Times Square. They know what it is. They recognize it. They give you a little and they move on. That's how luxury speaks. The next mistake I want to talk about is overdoing trends. Guys, like, trends come in and out of fashion all the time, but you want to stick to timeless, classic pieces. Y'all, you can pull stuff from archive and vintage Chanel that still hits today, okay? Like, you can pull from old Dior stock rooms that will still hit today. Timeless pieces is what you want to always go for. You never want to look like a walking trend board, because honestly, you look outdated in about 2 weeks. And then now what? Like, you're wearing trends that people are like, no, like, nobody's wearing that anymore. It's okay to like mix in trendy pieces in your wardrobe to give that like modernized aesthetic, but you want your base to always be essential, luxury, minimalistic pieces that are classic, that will take you through all the decades, pieces that you can wear and your grandma can wear and your child can wear, and everybody looks classic and sleek. Yeah. And one of the easiest ways to do this too is having a neutral color palette. Again, I'm not saying that everybody has to be a neutral queen and a neutral girl like me. But what I am saying is, if you start off with neutral bases, then you can add in more colorful or more trendy pieces that you can switch with the season. But you will always look classic, chic, and timeless, because you have those classic, chic, and timeless pieces in the essentials. And the last mistake I want to talk to you guys about today is one of the most important, and this is the best way to wrap up this video, guys, and that is neglecting grooming and accessories. I did a whole video about the importance of accessories like back in the day, and I stand on all those points right now today. Guys, you should never walk out with your clothes wrinkly. I have 2 cats, and I don't know if you guys can see, my chair is literally white fur. I keep a lint roller in every crevice and every corner, right? I keep a portable steamer wherever I go. I keep one in the office. I keep one in my car. I have one in the house. Like, you should never be going out and looking sloppy, because here's the deal. It doesn't matter how expensive your outfit is. If it's wrinkled, if it's slopped together and you look like a slob kebab, you will never be giving expensive. Also, guys, the details. I told you already, luxury is found in the details. Never in life neglect accessories. Accessories can take a basic outfit from regular to elevated, from basic to baddie, okay? Like, accessories. And I'm talking about, guys, explore with your accessories, not just, earrings and a necklace. Do anklets and wallet chains and sunglasses and scarves. Like, have fun. Accessories really bring an outfit to life. They do the heavy lifting with this fashion thing. Also, invest in pieces that you never have to take off, so you don't have to think about that too often. All the pieces around my face, I never take off. My nose ring, my double earrings, my tragus ring, my cartilage ring up here. These are timeless pieces that I can swim, sleep, shower in, live in, do whatever I need to do. They're going to stay gold, they're going to stay shiny, and they're going to always look classic and timeless. So invest in pieces that you can live in. That way, when you wake up in the morning, that part is already done. I add a little extra here and there, but like the main parts of my accessories are already done. And guys, accessorize from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, right? Don't forget anything. Like, make sure that if you want to do clips or barrettes or just whatever, necklaces, earrings, brooches, rings, bracelets, anklets, thigh chains, bag charms, boot charms, like, just really take it there with the accessories. Now, don't overdo it, because that can also look cheap too, but I'm talking about nice, classic, timeless pieces that will elevate any outfit. All right, guys, well, that's all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you really got something out of it. And if you're ready to stop looking cheap, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because we have so many good videos all the time about how to elevate your aura, your life, your career, just in general. We are glowing up in real time, and I don't want you to miss not one video. Also, remember, guys, looking expensive or not looking cheap has nothing to do with money, labels, none of that, and everything to do with how you put your stuff together. Also, don't ever forget, confidence is the way to go. You will lose an outfit if you don't look confident in it. So always walk in with your head high, your smile on, smelling good, clothes fitting good, lint-free, wrinkle-free, and that's how you become that girl. Drop down in the comments which one of these mistakes are you guilty of. And no worries, guys, this is a judgment-free zone, because I have been guilty of all of these before. But we are here to learn together. As always, guys, make good decisions and wear sunscreen. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah. No, but seriously, guys, I'm tired of y'all looking cheap. I was tired of looking cheap. It's time to elevate every aspect of your life, but that really does start with elevating your physical. So let's get to it, okay? It's rich energy only over here, and I want you guys to tap into. Okay, bye.